your sleeping clothes. Give me the pajama.
Ayun na. Ayun na yun.
This is mine.
Sinabit ko.
This is for swimming.
Yeah.
This is for swimming. This. I need clothes.
Nanay, the video is recording me.
Dito kami sa Twisty. Nagbike lang kami. Wala pang tao. Maaga talaga kami kasi balak namin dito mag-breakfast. So ito yung mga bit-bit namin. May mga bit-bit kami ng coffee, bread, water.
Just for breakfast lang muna.
Ito wala ito naman eh. Ah, ba't hindi
Asin, asin yan. Asin.
Ah, okay.
I need spoon.
Wait, wait.
We're going to cook na. You put choco milk na. Sabag mo yung basurahan mo.
At the side.
Kaya dyan na lang muna plastic mo.
Ito, hindi na sa basa. Ah, pwede pala eh.
Lang.
Huwag dito na muna masyado malaki.
Lapag mo.
Dalawa naman pala to.
Lapag mo nga yung ano.
Bag anak, dito mo. Dito ilagay
Andyan
mo.
yung, may ano dyan yung yellow. Kunin mo yung, may jar dyan na may yellow. Ayun lang anak, para makakain tayo.
Jar na yellow. Itong may yellow. Let's see how tatay cook.
Do you know, Nanay, why I want to break the egg so badly? I got so satisfied.
Painit na tayo.
Nomon's toy flop is gone, and that's why it's dirty.
Oh.
I do not like cereal. I like baking in Minecraft.
Ikaw dito.
Nanay, my friend is going to Hong Kong Disneyland.
There's no space.
Yung lagay na yun. Yung lagay.
Uno, huwag kang mag-cellphone tayo. Sabi ko magkatupog ka.
It's lekker, right?
Mhm.
It's yummy.
Ano ka tayo?
It's yummy to taste that. I didn't like it.
How you what music?
Hindi kaya.
Wait, sinabi ko. Hindi pa nito eh.
Ay, ito na. Ito. Coffee.
It's not peanut butter. No, Rosie, the peanut butter. My turn. Wake up. Hello.
Tingnan natin kung naging successful yung water boiling. Wow! Almost.
Oo, Chuma, Chuma.
Diba? 2-in-1. Toasting bread while boiling water. Charot. Oh, thank
My
you.
turn. It's not loud.
Mamai, why does coffee has the same color as chocolate?
Screen. Dito, dos. Uno ka. Picture tayo. Dito dapat. You're short. Just stand up there. Yeah.
It's still cold. Hindi pa susot tong puting t-shirt.
Andito yung orange. Pang dumi niya.
Pinang dumi na rin ito eh. Puro sulat eh.
Hey, Okay lang yan.
You know what?
Dos here.
My shoe is stuck.
Tanggalin mo yung shoes mo. Susi mo ako.
Can I use that?
It's okay.
Have to bring your slippers. Keep it there.
Punta kami doon. Oo, it's okay anak. You wear your sleeper.
You wear your slippers.
Play kami sa water.
I'm gonna record right now.
So, andun lang yung table. So, dito maaga kami dumating kasi plan talaga namin mag-breakfast. Kaya, pero marami to iba-ibang part.
You get that stuff. I'll
Parking.
Ito parking to sa may mga cars na pupunta dito.
Ayun yung entrance, oh. Yung pinupuntahan natin. Dumadaan tayo pa ganun.
Oo.
Ay, doon sa kabila yung may ano, may restaurant.
Oo. Basta pag blue-green daw, wag daw mag ano kasi naka-stomach ano daw yun.
Blue-green ba yan? Green lang eh.
Ayun o. This bathing water has chances for blue-green. Yeah. Nag-change din ako ng person.
Can I go down?
Yeah?
Can I go down?
Yeah, only there lang ha.
Wait, I have to show. Wow! Can I roll?
Picture ako eh.
I can
Hmm.
turn that.
Hindi ko pala nalusyonan si Dos.
I don't know.
Oh wait, we're gonna make a.
Ganda, no?
Cute. Matagal na namin na plan to kaso nabisi nga kami sa work. Tapos may pasok pa sila nakaraan. So ngayon talaga pinush na namin. Okay yung weather ngayon. Medyo mainit. Pero maaga pa kasi malamig pa. So bumalik ako kasi kuha ako ng lotion. Hindi ko nalagyan si Dos. Namin. Nandun sila. Zoom natin. Yan. So, kinuha ko lang to. At nakalimutan kong bitbitin. So, doon bawal doon. Doon dapat kami. Bawal pala mag-ihaw doon. So, dito nakita namin meron tapunan ng charcoal. Kaya, dito ang area ng pwede mag-ihaw. Pwede din ako ng shoes. Kasi,
Can I hear my shell collections?
I make my cactus. Like this. Nay, like this. Did you do like this? And here. There's some.
It will be cool if we go to the real beach, Nanay. Yeah, it's so
Oh yeah.
Ay. Ah. Te.
Takbo siya eh. Na-picture ako yung takbuhan nila eh.
Ano nga?
Na-videoan ko eh.
Ako din.
Yun din. Ay, naputol agad.
Ang poor naman ang ano mo.
Ano yun nangyari? Wala ko na yun.
Kung nga 20 minutes na lang. Oh. Mag-erase pa ako.
We have one more left. One more. What is that? Can I sit down?
Yeah?
Can I sit down? Look. What's the matter? Again?
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna take off my shoe.
Look.
Yeah, it's okay lang,
But
ano.
look, Nana, can I wear this?
Ikaw.
It's okay to get wet with this?
Yeah. You have extra there.
Okay.
But look, Nana, look. Ew! Poo! Ew! Poo! Ew! Poo! Can I go one more?
Yeah.
Look, there's also a human
Yeah,
there.
it's playing.
I can make it. I can mix it with my. Oh, but look.
What those? Why is there algae in the water?
Hmm?
Why is there
No,
algae?
it's not naman blueberry. If they said if it's blue or green, it's
What?
dangerous.
What happens if it's blue?
It your tummy, magkakaroon ka ng tummy pain.
What happens if it's green?
It's nothing.
Can I swim?
Yeah.
But it's deep there.
Don't go there.
Okay.
Actually,
No, 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 no. Oh yeah, I see salty. Ew. I have clothes.
Yeah, you have extra clothes there. And towel.
But can I lay down?
You're gonna wet.
I have extra.
Yeah, you have extra there. I mean your hair.
This?
Yeah.
Why did I wear?
Sige.
No,
I think-
no, no! Nay! Please go into deep.
Yeah, it's okay.
But Kuya wants to swim.
No, Kuya can swim.
But Kuya don't want to swim at the deep. Can I come?
No.
Wait.
Sige pa.
people can swim here too.
There, oh. Someone is...
People can swim there. Here.
Yeah.
I can swim. I cannot swim. That's
Do I have extra brief and clothes?
Yeah.
Do you have extra brief and clothes? Can I?
Yeah, yeah.
We can like swim?
Hmm?
I want to swim.
Yes, you're playing now. It's okay. You cannot swim there.
Can I swim?
Hmm?
I can put this off.
No, this does not make please.
Hmm?
The water is.
Cold?
Yeah, it's okay. What happens if the water is green? It's already green.
Yeah, it's okay.
Did you have extra? Did you have extra? Did you,
Can you try going there, anak?
Nana, did you have extra banana and cloves for
Going
me,
deep?
Nanay? The
Huh?
small ones? Nanay? Nanay?
Yeah.
Really?
Look, duck is coming to you, anak.
Can I have a pet duck? I always want
Very cute.
Let's go.
No, those. It's deep. You're gonna die.
Okay. No. No. You're gonna die. Let's go.
There's like
I can show this. Let's show this to you, Kuya. Kuya. Come on. You can come. La 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 la. Kuya, come. Like Bobby Farrow.
Ito ba yung cup mo?
Hmm?
Ito yung cup mo.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ba sa yung ano? There, doon, gas.
Ka.
Ano, dinoble mo na lang. Hindi mo nilagay yan.
Okay, bakit? Okay lang naman malaki.
Doon, sa'yo na.
This, come on. I'm gonna take it.
Picnic. Yes, baby.
Can I lay down?
The middle. Here.
But can I
Yeah.
sleep?
Yeah.
Dalawa tayo. Patigas?
Oo. Yeah. Let's see your feet.
I can still smile. One, two, after my shins. Five. And that's why. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look,
May
Blue is
extra
a
ano pa siya doon, may
baby.
extra sando.
Thank you. Thank you.
Blue is a baby.
Who's back? Dumadami na yung tao doon banda.
Lalamigin ka.
Oh yeah.
So yun guys, nag-ihaw na kami, nagluto na din kami kasi susunod dito yung isang family friend namin. Tatlo lang din sila, family of 3. So minsan-minsan lang din kami nagkikita pero magkakalapit lang kami dahil nga busy din sa mga trabaho at sa mga school ng bata. Tapos ngayon bakasyon naman kasi kaya ayun, ito nagkita-kita kami dito. So matagal na talaga namin na plano to. Buti ngayon pag hindi talaga pinaplano, walang plan, natutuloy talaga. So yun, si tatay bumili ng dagdag na inumin kasi hindi naman kasi sure na makakasunod sila nung una. Pero dahil makakasunod sila, yun, nagdagdag si tatay ng drinks. So ito gumagawa ako ng pita. Ito yung magiging lunch ko namin ni tatay. Itong plan talaga na 'to ang pinaka-masaya dito at pinaka-excited is si tatay kasi gustong-gusto niya may nagbigay kasi sa amin na parang lutuan. So, gusto niya magamit 'to at siyempre gusto niya din maipasyal dito yung dalawang bata. Ako naman, kahit na ano lang naman ako, eh. Look what I did! Ikaw, wait. Luto na? Yung pita? An.
How many minutes na live?
Maya-maya.
How many?
1 more minute.
Can I go now?
Yeah. Night. Night, Tos. Night. Love you.
We wait there, right?
Hmm?
Tomorrow we're gonna wait.
Night, Tos. Night.